to the bite-sized SCOMAS recording of taking the register in SIMS. To take the register in SIMS, simply select the class from the timeline on the home page and right-click. That will display these options. You can take the register and a few others. To take the register, simply select Take the Register, and that will present you with an alphabetical list of the children in the class. You can do one of two things here. You can highlight the cell and simply use the / and go down the screen, or you can highlight the column top. It will highlight all the cells, and you can use the / and then go down to where a pupil is absent and mark them with the letter N. And where a pupil is late, use the code L. So it's N for not present and L for late. If you right-click on the column cell for late, you can then display the number of minutes they are late and go OK. And if you then go back and right-click, you can enter some comments. And it's important to keep the comments objective, so nothing that will offend anybody should they be asked to be seen at a later opportunity. So simply go OK, and that will indicate that there is a little red triangle to say that there are some notes relating to this pupil. And usually when you hover long enough, it will actually say that there is a note there, but the little red triangle will indicate that there are some comments, and you simply right-click to view. If you want to, and the school has agreed that you are able to add additional comments, a right-click in any of the cells enables you to see the codes that are available to be used. But we recommend that this is a decision taken by your school leadership, and these codes are not to be used unless you have been given permission to do so. So simply keep to N for not present, L for late, and / or / to mark the comments. So it's very, very simple. If you want to add an additional pupil for this particular registration period, you simply go to the green cross here to add the extra name, and you simply search for the pupil. So we'll choose somebody like Stan Acton in this case, go OK. He's only going to be visible for this registration period, and his name will appear at the bottom. When you write back, when it saves the data, it will write back to his record in SIMS. Remember to always save the data. Something else you can do from taking the register is if you click on the column at the top where it's name, you can add additional fields. So you could add a column for medical information, and that will then bring you details of whether these pupils have got some medical indication. Doesn't tell you what it is, but there is a medical condition. If you right-click on the pupil's name, you can add behaviour or add achievement, and you simply follow the drop down to enter the details. And you can do this for a group of pupils by simply holding the Shift key down and then right-click, and then you can add behaviour or achievement for all of those pupils. And you remember to save. So it's really quite simple to take the register, add more pupils if you need to, and simply save. So if I close this down now, imagine you've been asked to take the register for somebody else. To do that, you simply go to the Take Register icon. You then search for the register or the class. So we'll look at this one. And you simply mark the register in exactly the same way. You might not be able to recognize these pupils, so this is a really good opportunity to select photo, and as you go down marking the pupils, the photograph will change and you can make sure that you're marking the right pupil as you take the register. And it is as simple as that. Remember to save, and it indicates here that I haven't taken the register completely. I'll just say yes in this instance, and you then close it down. And that is how simple it is to take the register for somebody else in SIMS. Thank you for listening. Further help or advice, please do not hesitate to contact SCOMIS on 01392 385300. Thank you.